How are you doing, guys? I hope that you are all okay. So, me, I'm okay, but not okay. Yesterday, I did my bone scan, and I'm still waiting for some tests, and we'll see what's next. I will just update you. But anyway, so this morning, our neighbor came, and she gave this presents to me. Ayan. So, ito may letter pa. Joe will see. From all of us. So, to Joe, that's what we're wishing for you, with lots and lots of love. Hope you feel better soon. From your friends and neighbor, Colin, Cassandra, Elizabeth, and Vance. So, ito galing sa aming neighbor dito. Thank you, Cassie and Colin and family. They're so nice people. Whatever would make your spirit lighter, your world brighter, and your recovery a little quicker. So, thank you so much to Colin and Cassandra and kids. So, ito yung kanilang letter na binigay. Meron din siyang book. Ayan, may book ako. At saka itong organic nuts. Ayan, guys. And then, may isa pang ball pen. Ito. At saka, I don't know what is this. Oh, wow. It's body bath, organic cocoa butter. Ano ba to? And then sabon and deodorant and lip balm. It's all organic, guys. Ayan. Thank you, neighbor. Napakabait din nyo talaga. And this flower. So, that's for today, guys. And please help me. I hope that I'll surpass this trial. So, have a good day, everyone, and stay safe and healthy. May God bless us all. Bye.